Let's stir up this heavenly Haleem. Today we're gonna make it in the Instant Pot. It literally cuts your time in half and does not compromise on taste. So here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of beef or veal boneless, 1 large onion, 1 cup mixed lentils, 1 pack Haleem masala, 4 pieces of lemon wedges, 3 diced green chilies, 1/4 cup chopped coriander, 1-inch piece of ginger julienne, and optional 1 teaspoon of chaat masala for garnish. So let's get started. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your Instant Pot, put it on saute mode and add about 1/4 cup of oil. Once the oil's heated up, you're gonna add your onions, make sure they're sliced thinly, and you're gonna stir fry this for a good 10 to 15 minutes. We basically want them to be brown like this because we're gonna take half of it out to use it for garnish later and also to mix it into the cooked Haleem. So we're gonna make it a caramel brown color. And like I said before, it should take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Just put it onto paper towels so the oil soaks up a little bit, but you can certainly reheat them in a frying pan before adding back. Now you're gonna add your washed meat. Like I said, you use about 2 pounds of boneless, and that way you don't have to pick out the bones. But honestly, if you have bones, that's fine too. It's just more work, and I'm all about shortcuts in this video. So we're gonna stir fry the meat in the oil and the onions until it's no longer pink. Then we're gonna add our pack of Haleem masala. So you can use whichever of your choice. Some of them come with lentils. I like to use my own lentils, which I soak overnight or for at least 2 hours before. You can have them separated, or I just bought the mixed lentil box. And then after about 10 minutes, as you can see, the oil is fluttering and we can see the color. We're gonna be adding our lentils right in there, which were soaked. So you drain the water that they were soaked in and then add them and just mix it all together. Now what you're gonna do is add about 2 to 3 cups, depending on how thin you want your Haleem. I like it a little bit on the chunkier side, but you can always dry out the water in a saute, or you can always add more water. So I am adding approximately 2 cups here. And then what I'm gonna do is take my Instant Pot, close it up, and I'm gonna put it on manual mode or pressure, and we're just gonna pressure it for exactly 20 minutes. So basically after 20 minutes, 21 here, I let it naturally release, and then I release the remaining pressure if there's any left, and then I open it up. Oh, it already smells so good. So once you open your Instant Pot, you can check the consistency, but before you add more water, remember you're gonna have to blend it all together. So what you're checking for really here is that, you know, the meat's cooked, the lentils pretty much cooked, and then you're gonna start your blending. So I'm just using a hand blender to blend it right into the Instant Pot, and I've kept my Instant Pot on saute mode because I wanted to keep cooking at the same time. You can certainly put it into another type of blender, but this is what I find the easiest. So blend it to the consistency that you like. Like I said earlier, I don't want it too thin. This is how I like it. And at this point, if you want it to be thinner, you can certainly add more water and keep it on saute. I think it's perfect for my consistency, so I'm gonna leave it as is. And now I'm just reheating those onions, remember that I refried earlier, and we're adding them right back in here, keeping just a few aside for garnish, and the rest you add them right in the Haleem, and you're gonna basically create a tempering tadka, and you're gonna mix it all together. And my goodness, it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. So this is such an easy recipe, and it cooks super fast, and the taste does not compromise. You can spend 2 to 3 hours easily making this on stovetop. And this is how it looks. Definitely try this out. Here are the ingredients for you to screenshot once again. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you try out this recipe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.